Bow, 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 from my head down to my toe. I love my little bow. Bow, 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 everywhere I go. You know I love my bow.
Welcome to Joyful DIYs. Hi, I'm Joyful Day. I'm so excited about today's DIY. I really cannot wait to have this outfit and to put it on my darling and have us have a cute matching outfit. As always, I upload new content every Saturday based on your votes in the comments section. Today, we're taking this shirt that's long sleeve and a button up, and I am going to turn it into a cosplay type Lolita shirt, either for him or for her. You can wear it either way. This shirt I got at Value Village for $15.99. It wasn't on sale, but it's a really good quality shirt, so I went ahead and purchased this to make a really nice top. To make this a Lolita shirt, I'm going to add a ruffle collar right here. I'm going to add ruffles around the sleeves and of course ruffle around the waistline. Because I want to add all of that ruffle, I'm going to need to use a white sheet, a twin would work, and going to cut out 4-inch ruffle to go around the wrists and the bottom of the shirt. I made the dress that I'm wearing about a year ago, but I really love it so much and I still wear it often. And even if I'm not going anywhere, I still can dress up really fun and just have a fun day. The Lolita for him was a highly requested video, so I'm going to start that today by doing this shirt. The sheet I also got at Value Village for $3.99, so it was a really good deal to make this whole top. To start the top, I cut out 4.5-inch strips, several of them, so that I can make the ruffle. This piece is for the neck collar ruffle. So I made a basic circle skirt with about 6 inches from the top and about 11 inches for the length. This is going to be the ruffle for the collar. And I made 2 of them. Now we can unfold it and sew together both of the pieces along the end hemline. I've sewn up the bottom and then I flipped it back right side out, and now I'm going to sew up the top portions, but I did notice that it is a bit too long, so I'm going to cut at the halfway mark on both sides and then sew that up as well. So now what I do to create that neck ruffle is grab the center and it kind of folds into, grab the center and it kind of folds into a little neck floof, and then you take that top piece over, fold it over, and it will create this. So now I have a neck floof, and I have a little bit of stitches right here, but I'm going to put a bow right there so it won't even show. But here's the neck floof, and also there's a little sleeve by doing that fold over thing like I was just mentioning to put the neck band around so that it can go around somebody's neck. For the neck band, I cut a 2-inch piece of material that is much longer than a neck, probably about 20 inches, and I'm going to fold it in half and sew one line down one side, and then I will put a safety pin right here and flip it inside out. To add the ruffle to the sleeve, I'm going to be doing the same scrunch up technique as I In a world full of expenses, my DIYs are always free, so come back next week.
Bow, 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 from my head down to my toe. I love my little bow. Bow, 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 everywhere I go. You know I love my bow.